Now.
Here we are, Storm Center 5, Hurricane Irene. Stand up and, oh my gosh, walk in the eye.
Wait, let me see your hat up close. Come here.
Storm Center 5.
Say it again.
Storm Center 5. Back to you, Em.
Here we go. I'm telling you, we're in the middle of Hurricane Irene, Chester, New Hampshire. We've decided to brave the outrageous weather. We've even stripped down to our undergarments just to prove how tough we are. We're on the Pinkerton Nature Trail system, and we're gonna go see what the damage is. Look at this, and Jeff, and these toadstools are the most dangerous part of this storm. The second they get slippery, it's like a slip and slide. So don't step on one. Signing off.
Video.
Oh, you could have told me whether thing. How about a picture because he's standing still?
How slippery? Come here, Ollie. Which way? This way, come on.
So slippery. Oh, Raleigh, come here. Come on, John. Oh, no, it didn't. Nope. Sorry about that. This way, buddy.